In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively remap due dates and reassign tasks in Clickup. Whether you're streamlining your workflow or managing a project more efficiently, mastering these techniques can be a game changer. Let's dive into the different methods you can utilize within Clickup. First up, let's talk about the remap subtask due dates Clickup. This feature is incredibly useful for those instances where you need your subtask due dates to align automatically with changes in the parent task. To get started, navigate to your avatar menu and locate ClickApps. Once there, search for Remap Subtask Due Dates and make sure to activate it. With this enabled, anytime you change the due date of a parent task, you'll see a prompt that allows you to update the due dates for all relevant subtasks. This ensures that your entire workflow remains consistent and synchronized with any changes you make. Next, we explore the Gantt view, a powerful tool for visual scheduling. This view offers a clear timeline representation, allowing you to drag and drop tasks with ease, adjusting their dates and managing dependencies. One tip to optimize your scheduling is to enable settings like hide and skip weekends and reschedule dependencies. This way, your tasks can automatically adjust around weekends or piyas and follow any dependencies you've set up. To remap a task, simply click and drag its bar to your desired new date. It's that easy. Moving on to bulk actions, these are perfect for when you need to make changes to multiple tasks at once. Whether you're selecting tasks via checkboxes or managing an entire list, bulk actions can save you time and effort. Suppose you need to reassign tasks. Just select them, head to the multitask toolbar, and click on the Set Assignees icon. You can then choose a new assignee for all selected tasks, streamlining your workflows significantly. Let's not forget about task templates. By creating templates with predefined due dates and dependencies, you set a solid foundation for new tasks. When applying a template, you have the option to remap the due dates in line with the new parent task's schedule, ensuring smooth task integration into your current project timeline. Automations bring us to our next method and are all about making life easier with minimal manual intervention. You can set these up so that due dates adjust automatically based on specific triggers or conditions. This is particularly useful for complex workflows where you want due dates calculated dynamically and consistently. Lastly, if you prefer to manage tasks individually, you can always edit the due dates and assignees directly on each task. By simply clicking on a task, you have the granularity to control every detail, providing fine-tuned adjustments that accommodate your larger project. Each of these methods provides unique benefits, so try them out within your workflow to see which best suits your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you harness the full potential of ClickUp for your task management.